Abba, season's greetings. Welcome to Diane's channel. Very bright and sunny here in Ghana on the continent of Africa. Today, guys, I am lunching with one of my lunch mates this afternoon, and we are now en route to test out a Korean eatery. Now, if you can recall, guys, I told you that Ghana is quite diverse, yes, and Diane's palate is also a diverse one. So I came across this Korean eatery, and we are going to test it out, and I'm going to invite you along so you'll be able to see a bit of the menu and what we will be dining on. So just look, this is literally the outside, so you have the option where you can eat outside if you so choose, and it's actually quite cool. But I think we are going to go inside. Okay, now guys, this here is in Accra, and it's in the city. So hey, hold tight and let us see what this eatery is all about. Guys, we're starting with our starter, okay, and we're having miso soup
and kimchi cabbage,
right, which is Korean cabbage spice, and it looks quite nice. So we're going to dive into that, guys, and this is our starter. Okay, we're going to enjoy this. We're still going. We're now having some sushi. This is avocado with, what is it again I have in here? I have my avocado and cucumber, all right, and the rice, obviously. And here we have some fried calamari over there to the left, and some fried prawns, all right, onion rings. Okay, so I'm gonna just have a little bit of the fried calamari and see how that goes. And here, I mean, I know we're really serious with the food. We're not playing today, all right?
Not at all.
What's that over here? And you're having your
teriyaki
chicken. And we say bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Here we have grilled mackerel. So let me let you look at the whole ensemble. Are we going to eat all of this?
Heck no.
But guys, we're surely going to make an attempt. All right. So far, it's pretty good. We're going to enjoy. Please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Medasi. God bless.